I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you've noticed a billing error on your Lyft app, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your ride history and billing details. Step 2. Go to Ride History. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner and select Ride History. This will show you a list of your recent rides, where you can identify the ride with the billing error. Step 3. Select the ride. Find the ride that has the billing error and tap on it. This will open the ride details, where you can review the charges and any discrepancies. Step 4. Report the issue. Scroll down to find the Get Help or Report an Issue option. Follow the prompts to describe the billing error, providing as much detail as possible. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your issue, wait for a response from Lyft support team. They typically respond within a few hours, but it can take longer during peak times. Sometimes, the error can be due to a simple misunderstanding, like a surcharge that wasn't clear. Make sure to check your email for any updates from Lyft regarding your issue. I hope this helps you resolve any billing errors quickly. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.